Today, we are going to discover what problems might hurt your video's visibility. Yes, your views can drop or stay low if you do have the following 7 major problems on your content. The first one is content issue. If your videos are boring, reused, or poor quality, then views might drop automatically. If you do have metadata issues, if you do have engagement issues, algorithm issues, policy issues, or channel issues, your video views might drop automatically or stay low. The other problem is external issues. That is, you do have competition, timing, and promotion issues. These all problems might hurt your video's visibility. So you have to take care of it. Because fixing just one area might not be enough in order for your video's visibility to be boosted. Rather, growth comes from improvement of all categories together. But for the time being, we are going to discuss in detail on one topic from these 7 categories. That is the content issue. Stay with me till the end of this video. Content quality problems might also be different. That is, your problem might be low originality, unclear value, weak storytelling, or poor pacing. These all problems might hurt your videos. In addition to that, low video quality, weak audio quality, length mismatch, and unfocused niche might also hurt your video's visibility and view. Rather, your views might be very stagnant because YouTube is not suggesting your videos to your potential viewers because of these all problems. Let's see each one by one. Low originality is to mean you are reusing others' content. Might be from TVs, from other creators, or from stock footage without commentary or without adding your own values. As a result, YouTube will not push your videos. Rather, it will hurt your video's view. So you have to take this into consideration. The other problem that you are expected to take into consideration while making your videos in YouTube is value. That is unclear value. Viewers don't quickly understand what they will gain from watching your videos. As a result, your views might quite quickly drop. So you have to take this into consideration, and your videos should have value for someone else in the YouTube. The other problem is storytelling. Problem in the storytelling. Videos might feel boring, scattered, or they might lack structure. As a result, your views might quickly drop. So you have to restructure. You have to have well-structured videos on your channel. By doing that, YouTube will push your videos to your potential viewers. If you do have also poor pacing, that is too slow intro or rushed with no build-up, YouTube will not push your video to the potential viewers. The other problem is quality problem. That means on your videos quality and on your audio quality. Both do have determinant impact on your videos visibility. That is, if your videos have low quality means blurry, pixelated, or shaky footage or unprofessional editings might hurt your videos visibility very high. So, my friends, you are expected to edit your videos very professionally, or you are expected to request professional video mans. Unless in otherwise, YouTube might hurt your videos visibility. Your views might not increase or will stagnate. The other problem is weak audio quality. Yes, background noise, volume issue, robotic AI voices, or unclear accents might hurt your video's visibility. YouTube will not push your videos to your potential viewers as a result of these all problems. Yes, beyond that, length mismatch might also hurt your video's visibility. That means too long without enough value or too short to answer the topic might hurt your video's view. So you are expected to equalize this one. And finally, we are going to see about the niche. That is, if you do have unfocused niche on your channel, YouTube might hurt your videos visibility because random videos and topics confuse both your audiences and the YouTube algorithm. It might confuse for whom to share your videos. So you are expected to focus on a single niche on your channel. Unless in otherwise, your video views might be hurt very much. Thank you, my friends, for watching this video. In our next section, we are going to see all other sections, all other problems that might hurt your video's view. If you didn't subscribe my channel Ethiopia First You, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Ethiopia First You and like this video and also share this video for all your friends. Thank you and have a nice time.